one rather huge boulder which is stuck underneath with a iron post. Got to get it out. It moves slightly, but the post goes right down. So I'm going to attempt to get it out now. Attempting this now with a wheelbarrow and 2 straps. So I'm going to get the straps underneath and round, put the wheelbarrow upside down, and I'm going to ratchet both straps and see if it'll lift it upwards. I'm going to give it a go. Right, 2 straps in. Let's see what happens. Doesn't seem to want to come out. Right, been pulling on this for a little while. Time to get going. It's hard to do it holding the video. So I'm going to place this down here, see if this works. I can't see it. If it doesn't work, apologies. You can't quite see. The strap that's on its way out, but it's starting to come. Right, she's almost there. Still got room up on top. I think I might have another little look down there, just see how far down this thing actually goes. Right, I've hit the top of the wheelbarrow now, so now I'm going to have a go with the wheelbarrow, see if I can move this bloody thing, and that post still goes down. That's just ridiculous how big that is.
Careful.
And now it's already in the wheelbarrow.
I can't believe, Rob, you've got it out. That is epic.